Hello there! Our project for today is a DIY paper car. Fold one whole colored paper into half, then make another 1-inch fold at the bottom. This will serve as the base of the car. Draw the outline of the car using a pencil. Then cut the outline to form the shape of our car. But stop! Let Mommy and Daddy cut for you. Now, let's draw the windows and doors. Let's paste the black circles as this will serve as our wheels. And this will be for the eyes. You can use different expressions for your car. I chose happy eyes. Then repeat the same steps at the back. Remember that the 1-inch fold at the bottom? Slowly fold them both inside. Apply glue so we can have a base. And we're done! Can you check how fast they can get? Thank you for watching!